Is my son back?
Yes, my king.
Okay. Where is he?
In the sitting room.
Tell him to come and join me in the dining table.
Okay, my king. The king needs you at dining.
Tell my father I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry? My prince, oh my God, what's Nigeria?
Are you drunk? So tell my father I'm not hungry. Get off me.
Tell my father I'm not hungry. Get off me. The prince said that he's not hungry.
Is he okay? Or is he sick?
From his look, he's sad. He's not in a
Sad?
Yes, my king.
Alright, cover this food. So melancholic. You have to eat to stay healthy, to look good. Frustrated. Call me. So, well, have you heard from Barbara since she left the country?
No.
I think she can make a good housewife to you.
Barbara?
Yes.
She's very rude, heartless. Yes, I'm telling you. She treats her fellow human beings like dogs.
But she seems to love you.
No. She claims to love me because I'm a prince. At the same time, she treats her servants like rags. I'm a compassionate wife.
You're right. You're right.
I love the view from the balcony.
The breeze. Don't you, son?
I do.
Come on, son. Cheer up. How did you go with Halona?
It was a disaster, father. I thought Halona would be the one. I was wrong.
Rose, Jennifer, Cynthia, and even Juliana. All of them.
Father, do you know that Halona is Jennifer's friend?
Is that so?
To think that Jennifer fascinated me at first sight.
you marry me?
Jason!
Why are you crying?
I'm sorry, my love. It's the emotion. And please don't get shocked. Yes. I love you.
Because the way I see things, the prince truly loves you. Or can't you say the way he's buying you expensive gifts, taking care of you and all that?
I know. That is what I fear the most. I can't stop my work. But then I'm afraid. Because I don't want to hurt him.
Oh well, I really wish I'm in your shoes.
You?
Yes.
A professional thief like you. Everywhere he goes, something must get missing. The priest would even look at you talking about loving you.
Oh well, I agree with you. I am a professional thief. But who are you? And what are you? A professional prostitute.
Whatever.
See, girl.
Me today with Chivike. I had to lie to me that Chivike is my caretaker.
Girl, I'm afraid this might not end well.
No. But I don't know what to do right now.
Come on, girl. You are sharper than this. You are one clever girl that I know. Just play your game the way you used to play it, and the ball will be in your net.
Change. So, leave my man for me.
It's not like I'm dragging your man with you. But come on, I am also in love with him.
You can say whatever you want to say, but let me not see you anywhere close to the prince.
Alright. Can I please have him just for one night?
How long now? I'm done with this conversation.
Just for one night. Just for a night.
Jennifer!
Oh my God. You see what it cost?
You caused
My
it!
devil.
Jason, it's not what you think, please.
Jason, it's not my fault. She was forcing me.
She forced you. Ikwete?
Kedu ka isi eme, eh?
Kedu ka isi eme, you idiot?
Jason, wait! Jason! Oh, yeah.
You see, my girl is more of an illusion. I'm so heartbroken.
Poor you. She told me she loves you and she will change. When I thought I would give up my love for you, the thought of it is making me mad.
What?
Yeah, it was love at the first sight at the airport, remember?
Yes, I remember.
Yeah, I have to give it up because she promised me she would change.
You mean?
Yes. Jennifer is a professional prostitute, but she loves you. It hurts she's not taking you anywhere. And she won't allow me to have you.
You don't need her permission to have me.
Are you hungry?
Just crazy for true love.
Oh, yeah. I boy, you know when you want Mali. Now who you want Mali? You might just not answer these questions because you're not ready. Woman are plenty, but wife not many. Until you're ready to settle down, you never understand, oh. So I go through the hills and mountains to find the one for me, the one for me. I will search through the million faces to choose the only one, the only one. And so I did Johnny, I beg you pray for me, for me. I go but my way, I go my walk, my dancing one you do come. Oh, I go but my way, I go my walk, my dancing one you do come. I'll go through the hills and valleys to find the one for me, the one for me.
I didn't know you were interested in artworks.
You had a fun of it?
Yes, I enjoy it myself. I love artwork.
Oh, good. I too.
Don't tell me you...
Yes, I'm a pickpocket.
Good. Haruna.
What? It is skill or talent.
Haruna.
Yes, what?
My God, I don't believe this. I'm so disappointed in you.
But why?
What do you mean why? And I thought I was going to settle down with you.
Jennifer, my friend, is a prostitute. And I am a professional thief. But honestly, I promise I will never lie to you nor cheat on you. Yes. Jay, wait.
When did you take it?
It is facilitating talent or skill. I'm a professional thief, but not an arm robber.
You are a disgrace. Get out. Telling you, Father. I was so ashamed of what am I? See these girls, that's why my and I call myself. Oh, talk of the devil.
Hello, line, hello, line. Wonder shall never die.
I'm here to see you.
What do you see me for?
I don't know, sir.
I don't know. Where is she?
At the gates.
See, tell her I'm not around. Huh? I don't want to see her. Tell her anything, just make her believe I'm not around. Just discharge her.
Okay. Prince, so she lie. Nancy has.
Please, we idiot. Go and tell her what I said. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
I don't mind this stupid.
It's just a clown.
What is it?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
Prince.
Prince, yes?
Prince was full of life. If I can Prince is demanding.
Yes, I know.
As I just entered inside. And I go back. Oh my God,
Yes, what happened to the prince?
as I entered inside, I found Prince.
How do you mean?
You
You told me the prince was inside. Did he disappear?
Yes, no. Yes, no now. No, you don't understand. The Prince.
Okay. Alright. Please, will you help me?
Your eyes is soft. I like your eye. You look at mommy water.
Please help me, okay?
Just keep looking at me. Chop, let me pay because of this week. It's like Prince is inside.
Really?
Yes.
Alright, go on.
Just wait for me, yo. Mommy water. I did it in my life. I did mommy water in my life.
Jerry, has she bought your ID?
Yes, Mike.
Where is your wristwatch?
Hey, I was putting it here. How about your ban? Your man, you're in my place.
Oh. Alona.
My prince, who is Alona? Can you go?
Father, you now see how unlucky I've been when it comes to love.
Don't worry, son. I will help you find a wife.
How?
I have a plan.
A plan?
Never mind, no. Jerry, Please get us some glass.
Oh baby, where they want to marry? Say now who you be. I said now who you want to marry.
I summon all of you here to inform you about a royal moment. My son and I will embark on a journey as commoners to help him find a true wife. Jerry, you are going to be in charge of the palace while I am gone. I want all of you to be as steadfast in my absence as you do in my presence.
Yes.
Did I make myself clear?
Yes, my king. Follow me, my king.
Yes.
Where are you people going to?
Where I am going to is my secret. Can I count on you, Jerry?
Yes, my king.
Any other question?
No, my king.
That will be all.
That's so it is. Them not go put you for palaver. That's so it be. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing. No, now you
About to just open arch now. I said everyone should go back.
See you, eh? Go inside and wait for me.
Good things of life comes in disguise, oh brother. Good things of life comes in disguise, oh.
Hello, I have no doubt that you will efficiently run this kingdom until I come back.
Exactly, Igwe. But when are you coming back?
I don't know really, but as soon as I'm able to find a wife for my son, I will come back.
Well, I pray your journey will be crowned with success and you will come back as soon as possible.
It's a... Hello.
Igwe.
I hope I can count on you.
Yes, indeed. I beg to take me.
Faith, how are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon. Landlord, these people need the room here.
Okay, they are the people you tell me. Okay, you are welcome. This is my house. God give me this house. In this house, there is no trouble. My grandfather died and left the house for me. No, let me rephrase that. My grandfather died and left the house for my father. Now my father he died and left the house for me. Now I must die and leave it for my pikin. In this compound we doesn't have a problem. Do you understand? You know you are old man, so you respect your old age. This one, is it your son? Is it your pikin or your house boy? My house boy. House boy. Malife. Malezbife. I don't make a trouble. Go give me money. Give me now, where you go? is complete. I want you to know that in this house, I am the landlord, I am the agent, and I am the caretaker. Don't you give my money to another person. I think you hear me. And control yourself. Control yourself. This is the key, and this is the spare, and that is your room. That is your territory. Okay.
Let us go and bring our property.
Go and come back with your property. You have house already. Hey, I got you okay now. Okay. You go. By Messia Carlo. Okay, now wait, it is hot.
Good day, sir.
Do you stay in this compound?
Yes, sir. With my parents.
Oh, that's good. I am Okafa, but you can call me Uncle Okafa.
Okay.
This is my nephew, John.
Okay, you are welcome, sir.
We are the newest tenants in this compound.
Okay, I'm aware of that. You're welcome, sir. My name is Esther.
Esther.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you, Esther.
Same here, sir. Welcome.
Son, we have found 2 ladies already for you to choose as a wife. Let's just see what they will become.
Okay. Be patient. Time will tell.
Okay. I know the time will tell us good story. Let's go.
Again, without my consent. I'll devour your pay.
Professor, I can use it.
Is she your sister?
Yes, she's my elder sister.
And who is your father?
The landlord.
Yeah. Couldn't see a be here. No matter what, you should never fight with your elder sister. She's older than you should respect her. Huh?
Okay. Are you the new tenant?
Yes, yes. My name is John, and that's my uncle. You can call him Uncle Okafo. So what's your name?
I'm Naomi.
And your sister?
Anita.
My tomato Mickey.
You know, before the king leave this palace, he gave an instruction that as the chief guard, I should take in charge of everybody that is in this palace, including you.
You must be very stupid. Hey God, what's the meaning of this nonsense? Huh? Okay, wait. Even if you are the chief guard, have you forgotten that I'm the chief maiden in this palace?
Oh yeah, no, both of us are chief chefs. You understand? See, let me tell you, stop pretending. I know you love me. I'm a fine boy. See my red lips. So, as the chief guard, I have to give you the last order. Follow me.
You must be very stupid. Idiot. You know what? Let me hear any nonsense from your mouth again. I will tell the king when he returns. Nonsense.
No, I'm just joking now. See, what's going on,
Uncle?
John, yes, sir.
Yes. I want to stroll.
Oh, that you're dressed up looking good.
Yes, sir. Let me look around.
All right. Okay.
Okay, if you need me to get anything for you, just let me know.
I'll tell you.
Her clothes is fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, bye-bye.
Excuse me. Can you help me buy some airtime?
Okay, let me drop this. I'm coming. How much on?
Yeah, just
Which airtime?
MTN.
Okay. All right.
I hope all is going on well in the palace compound. Yes.
But no, everything is going on well. Okay. In short, more than well.
That is good.
We are living fine.
Very good. I love that.
Oh no, everything is...
Oh no, let me help her out. What she's trying to say, we have not heard from our king and prince. Yes.
Just that.
Just that.
You people should not worry about the king and the prince. Exactly. They are very fine where they are.
Very okay.
In fact, they will join us soon.
But
one thing, make sure no one enters the throne room.
How is it?
Till they are back.
Oh no, let me tell you. That is why I'm the chief guard. I will broadcast the news. No one enters the...
That is good. We shall be wonderful.
Thank you. Yes, I will go and broadcast it. Oh no, bye. Shh. Have you heard what they said? Make sure nobody enters the throne except me.
Who is talking?
Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse 9. Nobody sees the God without the sheep guard.
If you like, go there.
See, let me tell you. You know, there in this bed, they call it water bed. In our quick, that one.
What am I still doing here?
Shoma.
Hey.
Shoma, wait. What do you want to tell me that time?
What you have been doing since the king left.
Shoma is again. See, I wish you tell them what I'm doing. By now, you would have been a dead person. Shoma, you are heartless.
Okay, I'm sure they don't know who is still in this compound. Wait, I'm coming.
Don't you know can someone pray with you? Don't you know that I'm a comedian? Choma, let me tell you, it's high time you cool down in this palace. I'm the chief guard. You are the chief lady. Choma, Adam and Eve, we are meant to be together. Don't you know all these things started from? Don't you know? Don't you see the video and Chioma? All of them started from grass to grace. So our own don't pass the grass. Now it's palace. From palace. Hey! We are meant to be together. Just say yes. I will take you to my village. Not my village. I will take you to Congo, Dubai. From there we'll go to church. I want to go here because I know you are from Fanta. You must have mommy water or pape water. So from there, Oba, I am much more this way. Let me show you my swag. First of all, making a boy leg. So, where are you going? On Aqua. Nah, this guy now. Choma, let me tell you. One day, you must swear.
Hello. So you have the mind to sit on the throne, eh? The king must hear of this.
Let me tell you, it won't happen again.
Oh yeah, it is not even up to 2 days the king and the prince left this palace. Yes, you're misbehaving already. What's wrong with you? What? If you like, beg from now till the
kingdom comes, the king must hear of this.
Who knows the time the king and the prince will be coming back?
By God's grace, very soon they'll be back.
Are you sure?
Very soon. I hope so.
I also know that they are coming back with something good though. Anyway, we're just here to pray for them. You know?
You are not far from the truth.
Wait and see.
What are you guys doing here? So now you people don't have anything to do. Apart from talking, now go back to your duty post. Stop shouting at us. Yeah, next time don't put on. He's gonna show and be about. I'm in charge. I'm in charge. Onye came here, I'm in charge.
Anita around?
I don't think so. They left early this morning. But you can go to their door and check. Go and check.
Thank you, sir.
Call me Uncle Okafor. And who are you?
I'm Rejoice.
Wow, Rejoice. Lovely name. Beautiful name.
Thank you.
And you have that gap in between your teeth.
Thank you so much.
You're so beautiful. Who is your mother? Thank you
so much. Now let me go and check on her. I just checked their door and it's locked, so I'm leaving.
I told you they are not here. So when will I see you again?
Uncle Papa, I don't know.
Hey. The same way you checked up on them, some more and check them. I'll be here. You know your name rings like a bell. Rejoice, because you're going to be the choice, and you have the voice.
Uncle Papa, you're funny. I'm leaving.
Bye-bye. Hey, Rejoice.
Uncle Papa, see your paper. Hey. Hey. Are you interested in her?
Where does that question come from? Just take a look at me and look at that young girl. The age discrepancy tells you that I'm not interested. Huh?
Uncle Okafor, don't deny it. So I saw you. Don't deny it. I saw the way you were staring at her. So don't deny it.
Okay. Since you want to satisfy your curiosity, now let me break the ice for you.
Okay.
I am not doing this for me. My son, who is in America, gave me an assignment to find him a genuine wife. Someone that will love him for him, not for what he is. Are
you sure?
Hi. As sure can be, I am sure.
Are you sure?
Because
Okay.
Fine. Where have you been? I'm just coming from your place now. Have you tried your number? It's not reachable.
Sorry, my dear. My battery died.
You and this your phone, safe. I saw one old man in your compound. Is he your uncle?
Okay. He's a tenant.
That man is so funny.
What's funny about him?
Why are you sounding like this?
Please, the man is an old fool.
Why did he say so?
as much. I stopped hearing her voice. She has gone inside.
How did your outing go? Did you get to meet anybody?
I didn't meet anyone. I didn't even have time for that. I went out there, everybody was just looking at me. I felt very uncomfortable. I had to cut it short and run back home before someone would recognize me.
As for me, I met a new face. Her name is Rejoice.
Rejoice?
Yes.
Who is she?
Anita's friend. She's a beautiful one.
This compound seems quite promising.
You can say that again. It is.
At this rate, you end up getting a wife for yourself too.
It wouldn't be a bad idea. After all, it's been years since your mother passed on. With what I'm seeing around here, my body's already talking to me.
Don't come.
Oh, good. How are you?
I'm fine. Are you?
I'm okay.
I see that. Is your okay?
Yes.
Alright. I came to check on you to know you're enjoying yourself in your compound.
As you can see, we're trying.
Yeah, you're obvious.
Hey, go come and join me.
No, thank you. I'll see you later. I'm off to. Bye.
Who was that?
Faith.
Faith.
She said she came to check up on us.
This choice will be very difficult.
You're right, Father. All the girls are very beautiful.
Very beautiful, all of them. We'll see. I can see you're not enjoying this food.
I don't have a choice. Why don't you?
No, I don't want to shut your ration. Go ahead, I have mine.
Sir, someone is here to see you.
You again? Okay, you can now go.
Thank you.
You again?
I'm sorry for the last time.
Who are you looking for now?
Is the prince in?
No. Yeah. Yes, he's in.
Okay. Please, can you call him for me? Tell him I want to see him.
See, let me tell you, I'm not happy with you. If not just that I have a just nice dream last night, I will not forgive you. But ladies first. Ciao, mama. You are welcome.
Thank you. This is a guest house.
So let me tell you, you know, in this palace, I'm the chief guard. So let me tell you, this is where the prince will see you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay then. Go and call him for me.
If I will go, I dare whatever. He will sit down.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, you are quite kind. Thank you for thanking me. coming. But I don't know why you are following Prince. Don't you know that Prince doesn't like you? Fine girl like you is supposed to be coming to fine boy like me. Shut up! I should shut up. In my own palace, see, let me tell you, one more word, I will order my guards to take you out from this palace. See, let me tell you, King and Prince, they are not around. And what? I'm in charge.
Do you know what? I won't stand here and listen to your nonsense.
Now I order you to call me my new name. Igwe Osinawata Bulogaranya, one of Pasaba Kingdom. You want me? I know that. Okay, you don't want to call me. You think I'm Abu Igwe when I phone? I will tell you that I'm Igwe with swag. But watch my swag. On that go. It shows that finally you must fall for me. So now, okay, I got to go. I'm confused. On the opposite, come so me. Yeah, cancel me.
Joe, you better come out now before I tell people what my eye just saw.
What's that now?
You better cooperate now before I tell the whole palace what my eye just saw.
Please, don't tell anybody. I'm begging you.
I will. No, for you to keep me quiet, you have to pay me.
Yes, anything. Just tell me anything. I will do.
Just pay me.
Eh? No. Hey, I wanted to give you my own plate of rice this night. But about you now, I'll pay you. So my man, I can tell you I saw you bodo. Okay? I'm coming, let me go inside and bring money.
Let me help you.
No, don't worry. Thank you.
Do you think I'm doing it for you? Yes, I'm doing it for my friend Uncle Okafo. So let me help you. Yes.
Ask me to drop by when next I come to visit
Anita. Yes, I did. Sit down. You don't want to sit with me?
I'm okay here. Hope it's not what I'm thinking of.
What are you thinking? What do you have in your mind?
Anita said that you're interested in me.
Yes.
Yes.
No, Rejoice, no. Sit down. It is not what you think. Sit down, Nolani. I am not doing this for me.
Then who?
I'm doing it for my son who is in America. Okay?
Then give him my contact.
I don't have his contact now. But I know he's coming back very soon. Very, very soon.
Uncle Kafo, do you know that you're funny? You are a funny man. Well,
you keep saying this. Is it not better to be funny?
Anita, can you imagine that old man? Old man or old man, whatever. He claims he's interested in me for that his ghost son in America.
Why are you saying ghost son?
Because he's making it up.
Why do you say so?
Because he said he doesn't have his son's contact and that he's hoping that his son's return soon.
That man. That old idiot.
This is exactly what I'm talking about. Look at how clean everywhere is.
The landlord, good boy, sir.
That is good. Where are my children?
I think they are still sleeping inside.
They are sleeping?
Yes, sir.
They are sleeping inside? By this time of the day? Have they made money? Have they married millionaire or billionaire or both of them? And they are sleeping. Hey, come, Anita, Naomi. Hi. My God. Come here.
Papa. Papa, you called me.
I called you. So you are still sleeping by this time of the day? When your mates are outside there hunting for husband, rich or poor, young or old, and you are sleeping.
Papa, you have come again. Can you just allow me be in peace? Be cool now. Leave me.
You want to be in peace? Do you know you are a full-grown monkey? And when you grow small more, you will become a full-grown baboon. And when you grow some more, you will become a full-grown chimpanzee. And if you grow, you will become King Kong. Do you know why I gave birth to you as a woman? Oh, so you thought I did not know what I was doing? I wanted women so that I can get dowry. Dowry. Do you want me to die in poverty? Do you? You are sleeping. By this time of the day, where is your sister?
She's inside sleeping.
Sleeping? Were you people born to sleep? Are you born to sleep? Look at your mates marrying every day, and you don't want me to improve my life? Why did I give birth to you? If I did not want dowry, I would have given birth to only boys. You are busy sleeping. Okay. Anita! Anita! Anita!
Best things in life are free and simple. That's all it does. I'm not gonna give you heat and pimple. That's all it be. I'm not gonna put you for wahala. That's all it does. I'm not gonna put you for palava. That's all it be. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing. No, now you go.
Esther! Esther!
the mind to tell my father that I'm sleeping inside, Abi?
Your father only asked me where you are. I told him that you are sleeping inside.
Hey! Esther, you can lie for Africa. Do you think I was not listening to what you and my father were talking about? Eh?
What is my offense? I don't understand. I don't just understand it. Mommy, why do you as your sister hate me so much in this compound? Anything Esther do is wrong. What is my offense? I mean, what did I do to deserve so much hatred from you people? What?
Esther, is it because I asked you to leave that old man alone and you refused? That's why I want to collide I and my father together. Don't worry. Don't worry, Anita is coming for you. And you know what she can do, Abby? She's coming. Just wait.
What will she do?
You're asking me? Don't worry now. She will beat you blue black.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let her come.
Don't beg,
I'm waiting for her.
Don't beg.
Let her
Keep
come.
taking man. She's coming. Don't worry. She's coming for you.
Nonsense. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm fine.
Okay.
Let me ask you something. Are you quarreling with Anita?
Let's forget about Anita. She's too full of herself. I mean, she's too troublesome. Don't just talk about her, please. Do you know what? She'll feel that she's the center of the whole world. Don't let her matter bother you.
I have a story for you. Story of a pregnant princess.
Yes. Okay, just wait. Let me just drop this thing in the kitchen. I will come back. You know I love your story so much. I'm coming.
So open your eyes, open your ears, You see, no be how you find
I'm back to hear the story. So tell me, but first of all, have you eaten this morning? Okay, go ahead.
This is the story about a pregnant princess. She's a wonderful princess. She has a benevolent heart.
Them not go put you for wahala. That's all it is. Them not go put you for palava.
I was telling you the story about the pregnant princess. The princess was so beautiful. Her beauty was so profound. But you know the main thing?
No.
The prince was so in love with her.
Wow.
Madly in love with her.
So what happened then?
Wow. Uncle Kafo, I see you are in very good company.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
When you left now, the old man was all alone here, very lonely. So I decided to keep him company. But now you are back. Let me go and continue with what I'm doing. Uncle Kafo, we'll continue the story later.
No problem.
Okay?
No, go, don't worry, no. Let's not look as if I'm spoiling things. Sit, keep him company, it's okay.
No problem.
No.
Okay.
Yes,
Continue. Just continue the story.
It's okay, don't worry.
Consider.
Uncle Kafo,
like I was saying.
So you people are sleeping in this palace. Let's assume now kidnappers enter this palace and kidnap me. Don't you people know that you people are meant to be guiding me? You people are paid for this. Ndala.
Joshua, someone can't rest for you again in this palace.
Just because our king asked you to take care of everything in this palace, that's why you're disturbing everybody. You can't even allow us to eat or drink or touch all this.
I'm talking and you are talking about ma. You tell them why. Do you have anything to say?
Joe, we know why we are leaving you.
I know you can.
If not,
I know.
Take your time, you're looking for our trouble.
Be outside. Oh. Now I will tell you why they call me Joe, the chief guard. By the power bestowed on me as the chief guard of this palace, I command you people. So you people are sleeping in this palace. Let's assume now kidnappers enter this palace and kidnap me. Don't you people know that you people are meant to be guiding me? You people are paid for this. Ndala.
Joshua, someone can't rest for you again in this palace.
Just because our king asked you to take care of everything in this palace, that's why you're disturbing everybody. You can't even allow us to eat or drink or touch all this.
I'm talking and you are talking about man. You tell them why. Do you have anything to say?
Joe, we know why we are leaving you.
I know you can.
If not,
I know.
Take your time, you're looking for our trouble.
Be outside. Oh. Now I will tell you why they call me Joe, the chief guard. By the power bestowed on me as the chief guard of this palace, I command you people to kneel down.
Let's go.
Nobody go. Gotta go home. Can't see Jojo, the chief guard and swine. Look over there. Come on.
One Kill Master, get me Alamo bitter with shingom sweet. Chop with it.
Yes. You sent for me. What is it?
Consider me. Joma, give me this thing.
What thing?
Joma, that thing. Let me just use style and show you where that thing is. Joma, I know how to watch. I'm on myself. I can watch.
What is going on there?
No, I'm coming. You can now go. I will explain to him, okay? Okay.
What do you want to explain?
See, let me tell you. Do you know Shoma is the winch we have in this palace? Do you know all this bad dream that you have been telling me? Shoma is the one.
Behind it?
Yes. So let me tell you, as I'm talking to you now, Shoma is the problem. In short, I know you have family problem. Shoma is half of the family problem.
But let me tell you, the king must hear this. All the atrocity you've been committing in this palace. The king must hear this.
No, go with your
Continue.
No, everybody, your problem. Go with your problem. Go. I'm trying to help your life. Go with Nagaka Day. Shoma.
Anita. Can I have a word with you?
Wait. Is it about your ghost son in America who you're looking for a suitable wife for? Is it?
Anyway, I was not...
Wait, hold on. Don't say a word. Let me give you a piece of advice. You need a psychiatrist. Because as I'm looking at you, you are crazy. You are mad. You look demented. In fact, you are mad. Get some help.
Good things of life comes in disguise, brother. Good things of life.
John. Hey, old man servant or nephew?
Wow, well, I'm impressed. Precious, I need to know that you know my name.
We are living in a small town, you know.
Well, I'm actually new in the town, except you decide to be very close to me and you can show me around the town.
See, I'm sorry, but I'm not interested in your nephew in America.
I was not about to talk to you about my cousin in America.
Oh.
Why would you say that?
You see, your uncle is not well, and your so-called cousin in America is just out of imagination.
Excuse me? My uncle is not well. Why would you say such a thing? Of course my uncle is well. He's fine. And yes, he has a son in America.
See, please save me the salivas. I am not interested in your cousin in America.
Don't shoot me. Hey, here. Just from you. Hey, it's not true. You would have brought it down now.
Uncle?
Welcome. Fine. Just 5 again. 3, 2, 8.
Yes. You know, Precious thinks you need to see a psychiatrist.
Why would I need a psychiatrist?
Because she thinks you made up the whole story of my cousin in America. She thinks you don't even have a son, not to talk of having a son who is outside the country.
It's Anita and her friend who is spreading those rumors. I don't even know what their problem is.
My dear, everybody is entitled to their own opinion. Okay?
Uncle Kafo, you are right. But not to the extent of defaming someone's character. It's not fair.
Forget them. Let me focus on my game, please.
Everyone should now have a lawyer.
Please stop. You know how to come and try us.
Sorry, I'll just watch you.
Don't think about it. Those guys are too troublesome. Skip 5. This one I've done it, alright?
No.
I'm trying to shift me over. 6-5 is...
6-5, you play 6 and 5 now.
I know. 6-5 is 1 now.
No, I don't play like that. That's not how you play.
Mama Esther. Hey. Anita, how are you?
I'm going to the market.
Mama Esther, if you know what your daughter has been doing in your absence, you'll be dragging her to the market with you.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Mama Esther, don't you know that your daughter has been sleeping with that old man, Uncle Okafo?
No. I know my daughter very well. She cannot do such a thing.
Mama Esther, I saw them the other day with my 2 naked eyes, romancing and kissing each other.
Sure.
Yes, Mama. Let me tell you, I say things with proof, and I don't say what I don't know. Go and ask her if I'm lying.
Hey, thank you. I'm coming back. Come in.
I done this time? Esther, what is going on between you and the old man here? Don't lie to me. Mama, why will I lie to you? Why will I lie to you? Have I ever lied to you before? Anita saw you romancing and kissing with this old man, and here you are telling me you have nothing with him. No, Mama. Anita is lying. I didn't do such a thing. Anita is lying. I can't do it. Listen, I don't want to ever see you anywhere close to this old man. If I do, you have me to contend with. Anita! 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 Come out there! Anita! Listen, what did you tell my mother about me? What kind of stupid question is that? How dare you lie to my mother about me, Anita? So you have because to face me. Oh, your boss is a problem! Why is your problem? You see? I don't know. Telling you! Hey, enough! Enough! Stop! Enough! Stop from me!
It's okay now. Easy. It's enough. Come, let's go. Enough. Come on, Esther. I know you as a lawyer, not as a fighter. What's going on?
Esther, why are you fighting with Anita?
Uncle Ka, can you imagine? Imagine Anita telling my mother that I'm even ashamed to say it. I can't even say it.
I know what she said. She told your mother that you're having an affair with my uncle, right?
You also know about that?
I know what she's been spreading everywhere. I know what's going on. No, easy now. It's not. It's not enough for you to be stressing yourself like this. I mean, you are an adult. My uncle is also an adult. If you like the man and there's nothing there. Come on, it's nothing. It's a free world. I mean, if we are adults, see? Okay, look at him. See?
Esther!
Anita!
Esther, is your mom around?
No.
What about your dad?
I'm the only one at home. Any problem?
Esther, see, I don't like what they're saying about you. Can you just stop following that old man around? You are too young for bad names and gossips.
Are you done? If you don't have anything reasonable to say, why don't you shut up your mouth?
Esther, you know I like you so much. And I'm just being concerned about you, that is all.
Thank you for your concern. I can see you don't have anything doing. Of course you are not busy. That is why you are here for an idle talk. If you don't mind, I'm inside. I'm very, very busy inside. Esther! Let me help you. I want to help you.
Oh, by force.
Sue, here.
No one.
He will shoot you. Esther! Esther, how many times did I call you? Mama, you called me 4 times.
Mama Esther, you're welcome.
Oh yeah, follow me.
What kind of a woman is this? And she has such a wonderful daughter, Esther. Woman must be demented in the head, or she must be demonic. But let's go back to the game before, because I'll make sure you lose this game.
That's all you see. Them not gonna give you heat and pimple. That's all they say. Them not gonna put you forward.
Hey, double tara!
Didn't I tell you I do not want to see you anywhere close to Mr. Okafor and his nephew?
But Mama, it's not what you think.
Then tell me, what were you doing out there with Okafor and his nephew?
I was only...
Don't worry, until your father comes back.
Please, I want you and your friends to mind your business. I want you people to stop gossiping with my name. I am begging you, please.
Wait. Are you talking to me? No, are you talking to me? How dare you? Why? Just tell me, why are you talking to me? Even in that manner. Are you mad? You are the one to mind your business.
Listen.
You should mind your business.
Listen. I don't want. It's only emptiness that makes me most mad. I am warning you people to stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stop gossiping with my name.
Can you imagine? This stupid girl telling me to learn how to mind my business. Hey!
Precious, you don't have to blame her. Can't you see that old blood runs in her vein? Are you not seeing it?
Esther, you are very stupid. Are you actually warning us? Anyway, I don't blame you. I can see that stupidity runs in your vein. You are sick upstairs.
What are you taking painkiller for my own pain?
Sick upstairs.
You are taking painkiller for my own pain? Leave me alone.
Precious.
Esther, you are mad. You are mad. You are with her old Esther! Precious kid. Leave this man.
So you see this Esther?
Don't worry.
Hey!
Rubbish.
Anita. What? Precious.
Cancel.
Okay, Faith. Yes.
Take it.
Naomi.
Yes. Take it.
And then Esther.
Take it.
Yes. So it means that Faith, Naomi, and Esther are under observation.
Exactly. The rest, cancel.
At the end of the day, it is not an exercise in futility. You know, it was an exercise well done. Jason, John Jason. My nephew, John Jason. It is too much.
Right at the nick of time, I have found you. Until the very end, I will love you.
Precious.
Please, I need 200 naira.
Hey! Unbelievable.
What is it?
How can you be sleeping with a man as old as Oka? Hey! You should have at least done it with that is fine Bobo servant now. John. Papa.
Precious, mind your tongue and also mind your business.
I thought you were close to the old man because of his son in America. I never knew you had your eyes on the old man himself.
Are you giving me the card or not?
Which one do you want? Okay. See, take your card. See, old blood is not good for you.
Give me the card now.
Take your card now. See, old blood is not good for you. You will just get older than your age, older than your age. I'm just saying. I'm just advising you.
Good morning.
Ah, Faith. Good morning. You've been quite scarce these days.
Oh yes, my job. I'm even looking for another one that is less stressful.
Oh. Okay, like?
Anyone.
Well, I wish I had a job to give to you now, but I don't have. But don't worry, you'll find, yeah?
Thank you.
So, when will you be coming back? I'd like to talk to you.
Okay, that should be around 9 p.m.
Okay, I'll see you then. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Please come.
What is that?
Please come. I want to talk to you. My husband. Esther's relationship with this old man and his nephew is really making me uncomfortable. I've told Esther to stop seeing them, yet she will not listen. Please, I want you to do something about it.
What is wrong with that?
Everything.
Like what?
My husband, people are saying that Esther is having something to do with this man.
What? A man that is old enough to be her father?
Oh.
Esther! Esther! Come out here!
Esther!
Esther, what do you have with this old man?
You mean Uncle Okafor?
Stop calling him uncle! Okafor is not my brother.
I have nothing with him. I swear I have nothing with him. It is Anita who is spreading this rumor about me. I don't have anything with him.
Look, Esther, I don't want to see you around him again. If I do, I'll send you to the police. Do you hear me? Come on, get out here.
Did you hear him?
I talk about my
A minute you keji ipu baby aqua. A minute you keji dapu baby fair. Usu sonu so kwa a minute yao. Chalugo di ka ure mita baby. Yawa kwa betona kubura. Give it to me baby. Give it to me. Imane minute keji ipu baby aqua. One minute keji lapu baby fair. Ususu anu so kwa minute yao. Ta no go di ka we bi te. Baby yo, hey. Hey, old man, see, I don't like your face. Guy, Mohammed man, smile. Now this man will really rough man. What's going on? Guy, Mohammed, listen, guys. Shit, Mama, good way. Baby, yeah! Baby, I need to get it out.
Wonders shall never end. Son, do you know that fate has a male visitor? I wonder who he could be. Maybe family, maybe friend.
I think it's her boyfriend.
Huh?
I saw them kissing right there.
No. Her name is off the list. Automatically, her name is off the list. I can't believe this. I saw him fondling her. You know, they were just exhibiting indecent exposure. You know, I have so much regard for that girl. And I'm supposed to smile. He's calling me Iruefi. What is Iruefi? You don't know. Anyway, that leaves us with Naomi and Esther. She's off the list. Hi. Why did you go?
Uncle Kafa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can I have a word with you?
Uncle Kafa, please, can we talk when I come back? God, please save me from Uncle Kafo's son proposal. I don't want.
Naomi, what is wrong with you? Why are you talking to yourself?
I was praying.
Praying about what?
Is it Uncle Kafo? He said he wants to talk to me, and I'm praying to God for him not to tell me about that his son in America. I don't want.
Tell him you don't want now. Or is it by force? Wait, do you prefer talking to yourself on the street like a mad woman?
Naomi, you don't understand. You see, I don't want to hurt his feelings at all. I don't want it. That's why I'm just avoiding him.
Anyway, I know you can handle it. Is your sister around?
Yeah, she's inside.
Okay, see.
Wait, what is... What's in the morning?
Because I believe you.
Stop now. You should stop fighting. It's not good. You will enjoy yourself now. Eh? Hey, stop it. Take your slippers. Just go.
Who's telling you not to stop? Ochaka or Maka? Look at this fool. Mad girl like you. Have you solved the problem that you have at home? Mbakwa, she have not even solved anyone. How can she solve it when she's busy following that old man in their compound? Up and down. You foul. If you kiss her. Who is the problem or sister? Why? Who called?
Next time I'm fighting, this girl come and let her up to me like this. What I will do to her, she will know, she will regret it.
When I'm busy doing something important, like fighting, she came here with her coconut head, want to stop us. Where do we stop that time? Because I must make sure say I bury you today. I will bury you today. So now leg you hold me.
Now leg now.
Sure say no be for back.
No, now this one, now this leg.
My back.
Face me where my go.
Now for
this leg.
This leg. Hold me for the leg. So wait, it no be like that. So that if you say you go fuck up, we go not say me and you will not be met. If they click, because I dey leave you because of this get. If I not give you today,
See, let me tell you, forget everything people are saying about me. I'm in charge. I'm the next in line after the king. Can't you see the way that the king said that, my chief guard, I want you to take in charge of this palace after you and me.
See, Julinte, I don't want to put myself into a problem. Can't you understand?
No, calm down. You are not putting yourself into any problem. I'm in charge. All you have to do is follow me. Follow me. I will better your life from what? From good to bad. It's a mistake. Calm down. From bad to good.
Are you sure?
500% short. 100% sure.
Okay.
Let me tell you now. Do you know what you do for me now? Follow me to the guest house. I have something meant for the princess. Halabobo princess Eba. Let me give it to you.
Furry. Yes. Okay, let's go.
Yes. Ladies first. But before then, Mobedu Kuga. You know I like being a Kuga. Just come do this your small ways. I'm trying to. I'm trying to. That Joseph the carpenter was deported from Canada.
Yes.
You understand? When Jesus came to the case,
Joe, forget that thing. This is a good soft work. Okay. Joe. The Joe.
Let me tell you, I'm in charge. See, let me tell you, when I will become the new king, I will make you the Lord, because I know he's no family owner. I go there. You came from a very poor. I will let this guy know more. When my name is this palace, I will do it. I have an important message for you. A message for you.
Message from who?
Yeah, from the king, our king.
Okay, you both can take your leave now. Okay, I'll call you back. So what's this? Is this the message from the king?
Shoma, let me tell you, take it easy. Because from here we are going to the bed. When we go to the bed, Shoma, you can be hard on me. One may walk. Give me spice.
And I'm asking you again, is this the message from the king?
See, Shoma, let me tell you. You know I love you. Shoma, I like you. All I want from you is just to say yes, I will change your life. Shoma, I've made the plan. I want to take you to London to go and see the Queen Elizabeth. From there, we can go to China. Do you know why I want us to go to China? I want you to learn pussy style. Meow! 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 You know what? So we can fight anybody that wants to. Wajima Canalogis. Sure, man.
Esther, good morning.
Uncle Kafo, good morning, sir.
Don't pretend as if you didn't see me.
Sorry, I was in a hurry. That's why.
To where?
To the market.
It's been 3 days. 3 days running. She's doing the same thing. To me too. Why? I don't know. I wish I could tell you. I'll do that when she comes back. There must be something wrong. Something has to be wrong. I've been very good friends with this girl. She's a wonderful person. All of a sudden, her attitude, her demeanor changes towards me. There's something sinister somewhere. We'll find out. Yes.
Boy, you know when you want Mali. Now who you want Mali? You might just not answer these questions because you're not ready. Woman are plenty, but wife not many. Until you're ready to settle down, you know go understand.
Customers in my shop are always annoying. So will come, he wants this for you. And they'll tell you, you tell them you don't have change, they'll start talking nonsense.
Yes, customers. Wait. Precious, don't you think that this matter concerning Esther and that old man is getting out of hand?
So you know, Esther is very stupid. I mean, how can Esther be going out with that old man? How?
Well, I'm even thinking that she's sleeping with the old man's cousin as well.
Is it possible? It's possible, yes. Because for Esther to be able to sleep with that old man, that means she's sleeping with the cousin. You're right. Because for Esther to be able to sleep with that old man, that means she's sleeping with the cousin too. This is really baffling. Strange. Well, but I don't know. But I'm not sure Esther can do such things.
She's still the best of me, the one for me, yeah.
Esther, wait now. What is it? I've been calling you from the road.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Wow. Why have you been avoiding us?
Me? Avoiding you? No, just that I've been...
See, don't even lie. I know you very well. You don't know how to lie. What is the problem?
The truth is that my parents don't want me around you again.
Why?
It's because of the rumor that Anita has been spreading about me.
Now, wow. Anyway, I'm really very sorry. Huh?
It's okay.
And
our parents don't want her around us anymore.
Is it because of the rumor? In that case, I have to talk to the mother. You see, they're making that girl feel bad. She's a wonderful person. And such rumors can mess with your emotion. Enemies of progress. Anybody home?
How may I help you?
Good day, Mama Esther.
Good day, Mr. Okafor.
I have come to see you.
Yes?
You see, I am here on behalf of your daughter Esther. Because I am a parent also. I don't want you to crucify your daughter or blame her based on gossip and rumor from people around you. Esther is a wonderful girl. I will never in my wildest dream phantom the idea of laying my hands on her or sleeping with her. She is like a daughter I never had. But I have a son.
Oh. I've heard you, Mr. Okafor.
Good. So, will I be able to see her as before? Will you still permit her to come around and spend time with me?
No problem.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Is John around?
No.
But he wanted to see me.
Huh? Forget it, please.
I hope all is well.
Yes.
Okay.
Ibebike, my friend.
How are you? Ibebike, my friend. Come and sit down. You are welcome. You are always welcome to my house.
Yes. Do you know why I am here today?
But every time you come to visit me, is there a special reason you come today?
Yes, of course. Ibebike, who is that old man that is causing trouble around our vicinity, including your compound? In fact, you are the one harboring him.
Eh? Wait. So I will not harbor somebody that has paid me house rent. Yeah. Nza. If you were not my friend, I would have said you are a small monkey.
And you are a big snake. Get away from here. Fact, people are talking and you are involved.
I know people are talking. Stop this violence now. Calm down. Calm down. I know people are talking. And because he lives in my house, I am involved. Don't worry. I know how to handle the matter.
Bad snake. Okay, go. Enter your house and bring those things you have in your house.
Hey, which things do I have in my house?
You know.
Like this?
Yes, of course.
Zababule.
Go and bring them. Then I will tell you that I'm the little bird that will kill elephants. I will bring you down and kill you.
Do you know, sometimes you scare me. Wait. Listen to me. I am your friend. Look at your necklace. Look at the kind of necklace. And you call yourself Zababule.
I'm the little bird that kill elephants. Go and do what I say. Bring those things you have.
Zababule.
I'll bring you down.
Anita, Naomi, Anita,
Papa.
Naomi.
Papa.
Where is Anita?
Papa, she went out.
Sit down. My daughter.
Yes, Papa.
I want to give you an advice. Even though your sister is not at home, when she comes back, tell her what I said. Do you hear me?
Yes, Papa.
Now, I want you and your sister to live a good life, like your father. I don't want you to be running after old men, like Esther. Do you hear me?
Yes, Papa.
Do you hear what I have said?
Yes, Papa. Papa, don't worry. You see, the man that is going to marry me, as soon as he comes, I will ask him to bring down this house and build a very beautiful house for you.
You see why I call you a small monkey? You want him to bring down this house. Don't you know that my father's 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 father left this house for my father's father's father. And my father's father's father left this house for my father's father. You are confusing me. Then my father's father left it for my father. And then my father left it for me. And I want to leave it for you and your sister. This is our ancestral home. Can they build another house somewhere? There is plenty space here.
Papa, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. I'll make you proud. And please stop comparing me to Esther. I don't like it. You know I cannot follow old men now.
I know. But if you see old man that have money, you follow him. You follow him. Go and bring my food.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you? Come now. Come and sit.
Esther, why didn't I see you yesterday?
My dear, I just decided to stay at home.
Why?
Are you asking me? Do you know what I go through out there? Do you know what I go through every day? Please, I just have peace here. Please.
Esther, so you are still thinking about this matter? I've told you to forget about what people say. So long as your conscience is clear, follow your heart and forget about what every other person says. Please.
Anyway, meet my friend. We're on our way to the market. But you know, there's no way I'll pass the house without stopping to see to greet you.
What's the name of your friend?
It's Amaka.
Amaka, calm down.
I'm fine.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Okay. Don't worry. My friend told me everything about you. It's going to be alright.
No problem. Thank you very much. Thanks. I'm happy that you came.
Yeah, I'm happy too. Anyway, we have to go on our way now. We're going to the market. I'll check on you later in the evening on my way back. Okay, let's go.
Let me see you people off now.
Okay.
At least I can go to the gate.
Let's go.
Yes, Uncle Kafo. That reminds me. What is it you want to tell me?
Can we go inside and talk?
I hope it's not about your marriage proposal for your long-gone son.
Unfortunately, yes.
Okay, no problem. I'll come and see you later. See.
Oh, Naomi, come, let's go now! Please, just help me to check if that old man is outside. Can't you see nobody's outside? What is it? I don't want him to start telling me about his son in America, marriage this, marriage that. I don't want to hear that story. Just help me check it, please check. Why? I pity that old man. I don't want to hurt his feelings. Can't you see, eh? Okay, don't worry. Just check. I didn't say you should go and quarrel. Please, just check for me, eh?
Uncle Okafo! Open this door! Open this door!
Easy, I'm coming.
Listen, I'm here to give you a message to your old man.
Tell him my sister is afraid to come out because of his marriage proposal on behalf of his godson in America. Tell him my sister and I are not interested.
Okay, I'll tell him.
One more thing. Anytime he sees us passing, please he should pretend as if he did not see us.
Okay, any other thing?
Come, let's go. Let's go, my friend. What were you discussing with John? I warned him to tell his uncle to stay off you. I did not ask you to go and quarrel with anybody. I only asked you to check the road for me. My friend, let's go. I only asked you to just check.
Good things of life.
I have a message for you.
From who?
From the almighty Anita.
And what is it all about?
She said Naomi cannot come out again.
But why?
Because she's afraid you may start talking about the marriage proposal for your son in America.
It's a shame. Anyway, that leaves us with Esther as the only one on the list. I think it's wise we go ahead and propose to her. Yes. They say a bird in hand is worth a million in the bush. Oh, from Bologala Johnny is yoga. Kaijabologi. Yakuchia.
Best things in life are free and simple. That's all it is. I'm not gonna give you heat and pain. That's all it is. I'm not gonna want you for wahala. That's all it is.
I'm aware that that old fool that calls himself Mr. Okafor is trying to deceive all of you regarding his stupid ghost son that lives in America. I don't even know if the young man exists or not. I want you guys to do something for me. And if I may ask, what is that? Anytime he comes near you, insult him. In fact, insult him to his bone marrows.
Anita, you don't have a problem with that. Because as for me, I'm not only going to insult them, but I'm also going to insult the living hell out of them. Just watch and see.
See, all this you guys are saying is none of my business. All I know is that I am going to deal with them mercilessly. I will make life so miserable for them and make a caricature of them. Useless people, scammers like them.
Oh girls, I'm so sorry to disappoint you girls. I'm not interested. You see, I don't want to hurt the old man's feelings. But what I'm going to do to them, the more you look, the less you see.
Yeah, come again with your own.
Yeah, Naomi! Naomi!
Papa!
Come here. Papa? How can you serve me food without meat?
Do you know that is an abomination? Do you know the gods of our land are angry with you as I speak? Do you know that?
Papa, when you were leaving this house, how much did you give to me?
I gave you a whooping sum of 500 naira.
500 naira?
Yes.
And you are expecting a good meal with me, Tabi?
I have always known that you are a small monkey. What? Take your rice. Give me my money. Take your rice and give me my money.
You eat the food though.
I will not hear that. You say my money cannot cook food that have meat. Give me my money. Take your food.
Papa, eat your food. There is no money. Eat it. It's your food.
Yeah, Naomi! Naomi!
Empty your car. 200 naira.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, precious.
Where is John or Esther? You came to buy credit by yourself.
I just decided to take a stroll. Is it a crime?
You decided to take a stroll at your age.
At what age? You want to try me?
Sorry, yeah, it's okay. It's good to make us to do exercises at your age. It's okay. How much car did you say you want to buy?
200 naira.
Okay, sorry. Carry on.
Hi. Something we're going around following small girls. That man going, is he not the king of Asaba?
Which man going where? See, that old man going there. I have heard a lot about the king of Asaba. And that old man going there is obviously not the king of Asaba. It's him! I know him! You see, that old man going there is Uncle Okafo. And he stays in the same compound with Anita, my friend. So he's not the king of Asaba. Say what you know. Hey! That means they look much alike. Madam, do you want to buy card? No. Oh, you don't want to buy card. You came to gossip. Eh? People should leave me in this place, so you should just leave me alone. Look at the way she turned herself into a slave just because of Uncle Kafo's son in America.
Hi! My sister, some girls are shameless. I wonder what this will turn into.
What are you saying? You and I know that nothing good can come out of them. Nothing. Or can something good come out of them?
Oh, nothing good can come out of them. Nothing.
Where is Anita?
Anita! Anita, oh, come outside! Anita, oh, better blessing, come outside!
Andrew, why is your face like this? What's happening? What's happening?
Andrew, I don't know. I don't know.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Do you know that since Uncle Okafo came into this compound and I decided to be nice and compassionate with him, I have become everybody's enemy in this compound. I don't understand anymore. I don't know.
See, Esther, don't worry, okay? Don't worry, don't bother yourself about what anybody says, okay? Just follow your heart and do the right thing. And what is your mother saying about it?
My mother?
Yes.
She's even worse. She's worse. She's supposed to be the one encouraging me to be nice to people. But she's making the whole matter worse. I'm confused.
Esther, don't worry, okay? Everything will be fine. Just chill, okay? Follow your heart and do the right thing.
Yes, I'm sure. Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Oh, baby.
Anyway, I came to tell you something. What is it? I'm getting married soon.
Huh?
Yes.
What did you just say? I didn't hear you. Just say it again.
Are you serious? Yes.
I'm so happy. I'm happy for you. Are you serious?
Parents are?
No.
Okay. My uncle wants you to come and join us.
Oh, John, I've never tested your food since you came inside this compound. Let me follow you as well. Let's go. Coca-Cola.
Yes. I'm the one that has to come.
Thank you. Please let me test John's food.
Yes. You found out yourself.
Thank you. You like it?
John, wait. Did you cook this food?
Yeah, no. You like it?
I wish I can say no. Very nice.
You like it, though?
I want to try the biggest meat now.
No, I just took meat. I didn't know it. You will not be eating. There's enough meat.
Let me ask you this. I want to ask you something. Will you marry my son when he returns from the US?
Uncle Gaff, I prefer to marry your nephew here, who is serving you, than to marry your son in America.
Listen, nothing in this life can make me happy than to see you marry my son when he comes back. And he's coming back very soon.
Like I said before, I like John. Let me marry John, who is serving my friend.
Well, I like you too. Yes, but I'll be happy if you do what my uncle wants you to do. Marry his son.
Okay, if that will make you happy, I'll marry him.
I am happy already. Let's enjoy the food.
Okay.
Son, it was a great and wonderful adventure, though full of embarrassing and uncomfortable moments.
Very uncomfortable.
But we finally made it.
Yes, Father.
Yes. I have gotten you a wife in 2 months. Just 2 months.
I can't wait to have her.
Yes. Son, you have to be patient. My son has to come back from the US before we can leave. Okay? So be patient.
In that case, let him come back tomorrow. Uncle Okafor.
Don't worry. He will come back very soon, John. My servant. Please remove those things. Let me get some fresh air.
Alright.
What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
Hi. Show me your when you put on show me why now. Yeah? Can't you see that I'm dancing with you? I'm touching you.
Dancing with who?
In my dream now.
Like you said in your dream, all you said can only happen inside your dream. And you know what? Keep on dreaming. Nonsense.
Yes, I'll keep on dreaming. Mugu.
You know what? Let me try and go back to this dream because I'm not Jamie or Right.
Nah, show me the wins.
Joe, you sent for us.
Yes, I did. You guys should come and massage me.
You are saying this because you know the king and the prince are not around.
Are you okay? Come massage me, you go. Madam, bend down. Go for training. And I'll check up. Oh, not to walk while why your hand is strong? Igwe jam igwe. Ibodi ko mo ejigedi. Jacuzzi mba. Why your hand is strong? Okay, your father will carpenter. Not there. Hada. Enough, eh? Can't be going at jam. You can go. We die here. We die here. Confront. Yo! Hey, baby, I want to die. Give me a sniper. Baby, give me a sniper. Come, let me massage you. Not on my toe. Eh?
The king will be coming back soon, and I want you to prepare as much as you can before the king is back. You know, he will not want to hear any stories because he trusts you people.
Thank you. Trust me, we are prepared. The main thing I want to know is that when exactly they are coming back.
Well, what I don't know is when they are coming back, but I know that the time is near.
But I want you to make sure everything is set before he's back.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is good. Make sure you guys get everything set because the king will not come back and start hearing any stories. Huh?
Yes, sir.
I trust you.
I'm not a storyteller. Start arranging every room because the king is coming back to make me the original and the youngest to know.
Hey!
I'll be the next to know.
Woo!
Spider-Man. Ladies first. Oh my God. Come on. You all know what is going on in the palace now. Olo visited today and he said that the king and prince will be coming back soon. Just that I don't know the dates. So I want everybody to get ready. For those that know how to talk, behave yourself, comport. I am a girl school, that's what they will comport. Comport yourself. And when you go back to your duty post, make sure you tell people that are not here that the king and the prince are coming back soon. Thank you, and God bless you. I remain your humble chief guard, Joseph, aka David and Shioma. We are together for life. Thank you. I'm handing the microphone. 1, 2, 1, 2. Thank you. You can go back to your duty post. I take that as a beat.
Next time you try that nonsense again, I will so deal with you.
Good night.
My son is coming back tomorrow. And the king of Asaba will be very glad to host him and his future wife to be.
Yes.
And I'm here inviting you specially to go to Asaba next tomorrow with me.
I don't think that my parents will.
No. I am also inviting your parents to come with us. Yes.
Okay. I will talk to them this evening.
Please do go now and talk to them. Tell me first thing in the morning. Okay?
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Mama, Papa, Uncle Kafo's son is coming back from America tomorrow.
Hey!
He asked me to marry his son.
Does it mean that Okafor do not have any bad intention towards my daughter?
Hey, Papa. Uncle Kafor said that the king of Asaba wants to honor his son with his future wife, which is me. He asked me to plead with you people to come with us to Asaba.
Hey, Asaba, here I come. I'm a church. Asaba, here.
Okay. You have to leave I and your mother alone. Okay, no problem. I'm so happy. What do you think about all this? As I say,
Mama, is this a question on you? Since his son is coming from America, we need dollar to complete our building. Me, I'm tired of living in a rented apartment. Or don't you want to be called a landlord? And I, Oyiritia, a landlady. I told you! Yes, I told you that Esther, our daughter, is worth more than 1,000 children.
Esther! Esther, I have a very important appointment next tomorrow. When I'm done with the appointment, I'll join you before I Papa! Thank you! Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much.
In addition to what your father just said now, tomorrow I will take you to the market and buy you new clothes so that you look good on that day.
Papa, you are the best daddy in the whole world! Mommy, thank you!
Oh, you now! So tell your car for you will honor his invitation.
I'm so happy! I'm going right away. I won't wait! I will not wait!
Who is that?
It's me, Esther.
Ah, Esther.
Uncle Okafor.
No. Not Uncle Okafor. Father-in-law.
Okay, my father-in-law.
Yes.
I have good news for you.
Really?
Yes.
I'm all ears.
I have talked to my parents and they have accepted to follow me to Asaba.
Yes! You see, I told you. Where can I be without you? Thank you very much.
You don't need to thank me. Let me go and finish what I was doing.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Bye. C'est ton deal. C'est ton deal. Yes.
Now who you want, Mali? You might just not answer these questions because you're not ready. Woman are plenty.
Mama,
this
one is...
Hey,
how are you?
Until you're ready to set
it has a butterfly hand. Mama, see now. Mama, see the stones now. The stones.
You like it?
I like it.
How much is this blouse?
I beg, give me that one you're touching. Just give me that one. Hey, Mama, see. Mama, this one is beautiful. This one is big girl's clothes. It's a big girl's clothes. Hey! Mama, it's beautiful.
Just for one time.
Mama, it's beautiful. I like it.
No problem. Did you say 115? Can I try? You can price small. You can price. 800. No, my is 115. For me to sell early morning market, just take it 2,000 both of them. 2,000. This is so expensive. Take 2,000.
Mama, please now. I like it. People, please. I like it.
That means we will trade home. We will trade home.
Mama, please.
Thank you.
Mama, thank you so much. I like it. It's beautiful. Thank you.
I like it.
I'm sorry, give me.
Come again next time.
Let's go. I'm so happy.
Johnny, I beg you pray for me. I will go through these hills and valleys to watch you smile. I'll give just anything to make you mine. I got my wangi, I got my wake, my resi wangi do call. I got my wangi, I got my wake. to God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between. Yet you are still the one and the only one for me. Baby girl, you are my heart desire. See the way you done make me feel, you done set my love on fire. Sometimes I do wonder why I know Mali before, but I know how to realize in a word of God. Right now we can say all of our lifetime, because yes, I found the one who complements my lifestyle. What am I gonna leave it? Go leave it.
I don't want you to go with that old man to their village. What? Esther, he wants to use you and your parents for money ritual.
How did you know that? Who told you?
It's Anita.
Oh, Anita. Okay. Are you done talking? When you are done, you can go inside, okay?
Esther! Esther! Esther is for your own good!
I'll never ever give you hour, I'll never let you down. So can we slide? Can we take it slowly? And we can take a trip around the world, babe. Now I don't realize, you know we love God. And now I don't realize, you know we love God. And now we can celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. We're God and praise the Lord, we're come and celebrate, yeah. Everything gonna flow.
Precious, he's even living with Esther and her parents, so.
What for? We learned that we sent back. It is when the old man will use them for ritual that they will know what they did to themselves.
It's okay. Who told you guys that that old man is a ritualist? This is how you will sit here and that man will surprise you up. Just sit here and be talking.
Okay, shut up.
Yeah, you grab una gale. We are for the man. Very because very much now. Oh, very wicked. I'm always going to that. Yeah, leave me like that. Well, I don't for you. Give up our working here. Thank you.
Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh, brother. Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh.
Where is your father?
Sorry, he will join us later.
Let's go.
Them not go give you heat and pimple. I saw it there. Them not go put you for wahala. I saw it feel. Them not go put you for palaver.
What is this peripheral agronomy that I am seeing in your pericula? Okay. Why are you looking at my periphery as if you want to sell it? Now listen to me. My great-grandfather owned this house. When he died, he handed it to my grandfather. And I'm even now. When my grandfather died, he handed it to my father. Now when my father died, he handed it to me. And of course, when I die, I will hand it to either you, Naomi, or Anita. So what is the problem? Why do you want to sell it before time?
Papa, I don't want to sell your house. See, as I'm talking to you right now, this house is not my problem right now, please.
So what is your problem?
Papa, as I'm talking to you right now, Uncle Carver's son is back from America and he has invited Esther and the parents to come to Asaba.
You are a little... Go and make food for me to eat.
But there is no food.
Why?
Papa, when you are leaving this house, did you drop any money for me to cook something? There is no food.
When I was your age, I feed my father, I feed my mother, and I feed my uncle, and my uncle brother Okafor. I feed all of them. So as small as you are, you cannot feed your papa. Now stand up and go and make food for me.
There is no food now. Go
and prepare food for me. Anyhow. There is nothing in the house.
Nothing.
Okay, who's in there?
I'm not gonna put you for wahala. So you feel I'm not gonna put you for wahala. So it make you marry your blessing, marry your blessing, marry your blessing. No, now you go enjoy. If you carry your hand, wear your blessing. No, now you sabi.
Uncle Okaf. John, you are welcome to the Palace of Freedoms. Thank you. You are welcome. Make yourself comfortable. The king will join you soon.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Right on the pick of time, I will find
The king will join you soon.
If not the will of God, I go marry you.
Sit very well.
I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between. Yet you are still the one and the only one for me.
The king wants to see both of you upstairs. Come with me.
Sometimes I wonder why I know marry before. But I know what I realize when I will have gone. Right now we can celebrate all of our lifetime. Cause yes, I found out it complements my life.
It's a name, so you will pay your own apartment, whatever. So come, let's have some good all of them. Come, dance. Yes, let's go.
Right at the nick of time, I have found you. Until the very end, I will love you. I will never ever make you cry. I never let you down, baby. I'll never ever give you hour. I never let you down. So can we slide? Can we take it slowly? We can take a trip around the world, babe. Now I don't realize, you know we love God. And now I don't realize, you know we love God. And now we can celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. We call the friends and family to come and celebrate, yeah. Everything gonna flow, and nobody go from this go. I don't wanna keep you low. This is once in a lifetime. What am I go live it? Go live it, no regret. Outside my go live it when you're mad.
This is the apartment, okay? Just feel relaxed and comfortable, okay? Your dinner with the king will start by 6. So in case you don't know, as they used to say it in the music, hello, testing the mic. In case you don't know, I'm the chief guard, I'm the chief chef, I'm the chief householders.
Only you?
Yes, I'm the key holder, yeah. So feel relaxed. I'm the only chief guard with swaggling. Now see my swag.
This one is too funny.
I don't used to go like that. Who can swag if I'm going? And I'm going to. I don't just go like that.
Oh, this place is fine.
You want to on the AC, yeah? AC there. It doesn't use remote. Just what you have to do. Say AC on by itself. Yes.
What is AC?
You don't know what is AC? AC is that thing that used to do. I used to bring out water, and the water will be chilled. Nana boy.
Let's go in.
Don't forget the password is easy.
Oh yeah. Boy, you know when you want Mali. Now who you want Mali?
Esther.
My dear.
This is from the king to you and your parents. Use them for the dinner. We're expecting a very important guest from America.
From Obodo Igbo?
Yes.
My daughter. Do you mean it?
Yes, sir.
Are you telling me the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Your hair is fine.
Thank you.
Okay. They are very beautiful.
Alright, I text you very now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Imagine.
They wait for everything. They want to give you food, they will beg. Mama, see, they want to give you clothes, they will beg. She wants to leave. I need to take my leave. Give me the bed. Oh my God, I'm telling you. Mercy. Bring it now. Of course. My daughter, the important guest from America is your future husband.
Okafor's son. Look, the king of Asaba was love Okafor and his son a lot.
Papa, Mama, I told you that Uncle Okafor is a very pleasant and a very nice person. If you come to know him.
Maybe this Okafor you are talking about now is one of the king's elders. Or he's related to the royal family. Take any I don't know. He said that the king wants to honor his son and his children. You don't know what I'm
to make you mine. And so I did Johnny.
Here comes King Otutu, the king of Asaba Kingdom. She's still breathing. She'll be fine.
She'll be fine.
Oh.
Get water.
I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between.
Mr. Okafor, what is the meaning of this?
So you are the king of Asaba, and John here, your son.
Why did you lie to us?
Mind your language. You are talking to our king. You don't talk to our king like that.
Oh no.
You are the princess of the king.
Oh no, it's okay.
Terry, I want everyone to move to their duty posts.
Oh yeah. Boy, you know when you want Mali. Now who you want Mali?
My real name is Jason.
Prince Jackson, you mean? Uncle Kafo's son in America. Why? Why?
I'm sorry, but it's a long story. I'll tell you everything later.
But I asked you if you...
Esther, will you marry me?
What? No, I won't take this.
Papa Esther! Papa Esther! Papa Esther! Papa Esther! I don't know. Maybe I'll think about it.
Alright. I'll give you some time to think.
Cause in the end, she's still the best of me, the one for me, yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
You are the worst mistake I didn't make, but the best decision I have made. I will go through these hills and mountains to see you. Oh, babe, I will give just anything to make you mine. And so I did, Johnny, I beg you pray for me. I will go through these hills and follow.
Esther, wait.
What?
I want to tell you something.
Please, just save your best. No.
What do you mean, no?
I will not marry you.
Why?
I hate liars.
Papa Esther, please calm down. I believe he has reasons for everything and he has just told us. Please.
Papa, please. Pack your things. We are leaving this palace right now.
Why? Don't you want to marry the prince again?
No! He's a liar. I hate lies. I can't marry him.
He has given us his reasons. Papa Esther, please calm down. This is not time for all this. Please. Calm down, please.
If not the will of God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between. Yet you are still the one and the only one for me. Baby girl, you are my heart desire. See the way you done make me feel, you done set my love on fire. Sometimes I don't.
Now that I've found the right thing, she says she won't marry me.
Yes. Esther has a very strong character.
I should have known she would not tolerate just a little lie.
Son, she was hurt. Let's give her some time. She may come around.
Why I called you guys out here? Ever since the king and the prince came back from the journey, things have been somehow.
What are you saying? Can't you see the girl in question is heartbroken? And I'm not even sure if the prince will be able to marry her.
How will the prince be happy? Tell me, how will he be happy when the girl has not said no to you?
I know the king is wise. And I'm sure he knows what to do about it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I'll never ever give you hour, I'll never let you down. So can we slide? Can we take it slow? We can take a trip around.
I should have just told her the truth earlier on. Now it's too late.
Son, it's not too late, son.
Of course it's too late, Father. I've lost her.
It's not too late.
If not the will of God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word.
This I will leave both of you.
John, Jackson, Uncle Kafo's son in America, or the king's son. I will marry you. Yes.
I wanted to propose to you earlier. I love you.
I love you more. I love you so much. I will stop loving you.
Son, life is a journey. And only prosperity can provide us with the answers we seek in life. I know it has not been easy for you to find a wife, but I am glad that today you are about to open up a new page in your life. As your father and the king of this great kingdom, I hereby bless this union. Ogarino no mana eke. Ogarino no mana for. Ogarino no mana for. Ogarino no mana ori. I'm now blessed and for my wife.
If not the will of God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here.
You actually know that it's been days now, and nobody has heard from Esther and her parents since they left to Asaba. Are you sure they are okay?
Wait, it's true. It's been like a week and nobody knows their whereabouts. I think there's something wrong. There's something wrong somewhere.
Yes, everything is wrong. Everything. I think that man must have used them for money ritual. But I'm not worried about that too, because I warned her. I told her before they left, but she wouldn't listen.
If that man used them for money ritual, that is good for them. It serves them right. Because I gave them advice. But no, we are stupid now. So look at it now.
I need that 200. The Prince of Asaba has finally gotten married.
What do you want concern me for Asaba with the Prince?
Baby, see on some girl they show you don't marry the taxi. See the Prince now. Hey! You know Allah, but see, I will come back and take him. Don't give me my card now. Hey! You know what's your card? Where am I go now?
If not the will of God,
hey! Anita! Anita, allow me! Anita! Hey! This is not happening. Just look. You can't look at this now. Look at it. It's a lie. Hey! Are you blind? Hey! So, that old man is the king of Asaba? Yes! Someone told me about it, but I didn't believe it. Anita, you see what you have caused. Anita! Stop shouting my name like that. You know what? I'll keep this paper so I can show it to my father. Keep pushing and show it to your father. Give it to me! You only show your father. Hey! So this is how we missed our luck. God forbid. Hey! Oh! Hey!
Let's jump and yeah.
Rejoice! Rejoice, come and see. Just see for yourself. Prince of Asaba has finally gotten married to Esther. Did you see what we have caused to ourselves? Can you imagine? This man proposed to me first.
Me too. John or Prince Jackson tried to talk to me, but I shunned him. I should have known.
I never let you down, baby. I'll never ever give you hour. I never let you down. So can we slide? Can we take it slowly? And we can take a trip around the world, babe. Now I don't realize, you know we love God. And now I don't realize, you know we love God. And now we can celebrate.
This man is actually the king of Asaba.
You are evil. You are a witch, Anita. You see what your evil mat? This evil mat has made me lose something great. You see, you are a witch. I know that you are a witch. You are an enemy of God. Anita! Say one more word, and I'll slap your teeth out from your mouth. Anita, me! Just wait. Wait for me, I'm coming. Hey, Anita! Anita! I'll kill you! I'll kill you!
Stop telling me that. Stop telling me that. You think I don't know what is going on in your compound? Huh? You think I don't know what is going on in your compound? See, let me tell you, it's over.
No, you can't do this to me. Please, I can't do anything to hurt you.
Hey! You can't do anything to hurt me. Yes. You are hurting me already.
No, I can't hurt you.
Dating this old man with his son. You are hurting me already. You are hurting me.
Who told you I'm dating him? I'm not dating any other person aside from
Why are you asking? Why are you asking? To move now. Why are you asking? In fact, let me tell you, this relationship is over.
Hey!
Naomi, why I called you out here is that I need you to borrow me that your red gown. I have somewhere I'm going this evening, and seriously, I need to wear that red gown. You know I love it so much.
Rejoice. You know I don't play with that gown. Just remove your mind from the gown. Even my sister Anita, she cannot beg me for that gown because she knows I will not give it to her. Not to talk of an outsider like you. I'm sorry.
Naomi, Biko, no. Biko. I promise you, first thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to return your gown to you. Biko, please. Please.
Rejoice. Why are you making me look as if I'm wicked? I'm sorry, I can't. Manye won't get Biko. Sorry.
Remember, I'm a tailor. Yes. Naomi, I'm a tailor.
Rejoice, I know you are a tailor. That's why you're supposed to make that dress. You go to the market, buy the material, then sew the gown. Yes, now.
It's okay.
Hello? What's up? Where are you? Okay, I'm coming. I want to see you.
Imagine I'm begging her for just a gown and she refused to give it to me.
Please don't baby me. Don't even try it again in your life.
Hey, why are you sounding like this? What is it?
As if you don't know what brought me. See, in case you don't know, I came to let you know officially that I am done with this relationship. You can go ahead and mingle with that old fool in your compound and his son, that stupid son of his that can never provide you with a cream or underwears.
Look at this one. I'm even helping his life. You are not even grateful. You are here saying rubbish.
Excuse you? Wait. You and I, who is helping who? See, let me warn you for the last time again. Don't you ever in your life cross my path again. Go on, follow these street boys. Nonsense children boys that cannot even buy you a cream or underwears. The next time you cross my path, I'm going to deal with you squarely. Excuse me.
Hey, Naomi, you are suffered. Look at these stingy goats. Look at this. Hey, Naomi, you are suffered. It's not your fault. It's my fault for dating you dirty boy. You that are managing. Rubbish.
Good things of life comes in disguise, brother. Good things of life comes in disguise, best things in life are free.
Why is your face like this? Are you okay?
Isn't not that stupid boy? I was thinking he has sense, but now I can say he's senseless. Not just senseless, but very stupid as well.
Naomi, take it easy on him.
Take it easy on who? That stingy fool. Please don't tell me to take it easy, Obiko.
Wait, but I thought you said you love him.
Rejoice, please. Let's change this topic. And if you don't want us to change this, please just go back to your shop. Go back to your shop.
My sister, I'm leaving though. Already you have refused to give me the gown I asked you for from you. So I'm leaving.
Go
now. You don't even have to tell me.
Go and make the dress. Are you not a tailor? Go and make it. Beggy. Nonsense.
Good things of life.
You see yourselves? Ordinary Esther is smarter than both of you. Now, these people who came and disguised themselves, and you did not know it was a king and a prince. Your stupidity and your foolishness did not let you know it was king and prince. It was Esther who now know. Hey! This is how Jesus Christ will come and disguise himself, and you still will not know it is Jesus Christ. Naomi.
Yes, Papa.
Anita.
Yes, Papa.
Do you know why I called you people?
No, Papa.
Two of you are little monkeys.
Good things of life comes in disguise, brother. Good things of life comes in disguise, best things in life are free and simple. That's so you see. Them not go give you heat and pimple. I saw it there. Them not go put you for wahala. I saw it be. Them not go put you for palava. I saw it there. Make you marry your blessing, marry your blessing.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How can I help you? Are you looking for accommodation?
No. It seems you don't recognize us.
Your face is familiar.
I'm Esther. I am Mama Esther.
Esther!
Oga landlord. Yes.
Hey!
Yes.
Esther!
Oga,
you are not a princess. Hey! Come and sit down. No, come. Don't do that. Please! Come and sit down.
You don't have to do that. Please.
Let me offer you anything you want. I can give you shawarma. I can give you upobi. I can give you isiewu. I can give you pointer.
No, all that. No. Please, you've come to inform your house key. Yes.
House key. You are not wanting to live here again.
Of course, you should know that. No. Oga landlord, everything is fine. Now I like you so much. I can't live without blessing you. You know you're man. I can't live without blessing you.
Let me smile for you.
Just be happy. Let's say you be happy, man. Annie, say, take this, get something for you and your little sister. Okay? Hey.
Take now. Comes in this life.
Take it.
Oh, baby. Let me just relax, okay? Thank you. You know, as it is, I cannot spread money on you, but I want to bless you and your household with this little token.
Esther.
Oga landlord. Take. Buy something.
Do you know that daughter does not belong to one person alone?
It's true.
Just because Esther has lived here, she is my daughter. In fact, you are my first daughter. Yes. From today henceforth, 1-12.
Oga landlord, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Let's take our leave. Anita, Naomi, please take care of yourselves. Let's go. Honey, take care. Oga landlord.
Okay. Excuse me. What of your property inside the house?
Don't worry about that. You can make use of it. Yes. We don't need it again. Bye.
Best things in life are free and simple. That's how it is. Them not go give you heat and pimple. That's how it be. Them not go put you for wahala. That's how it is. Them not go put you for palava. That's how it be. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing. No, now you go enjoy.
You see yourself? You see yourself? Esther is now dashing you one. Esther. Omega to like a dog baby. Your eyes are not open to see good things when they come. Anyway, Esther is now my first daughter, whether you like it or not. Esther is my first daughter. I said Esther is my first daughter, whether you like it or not. Hey, it's not by might, it's not by strength, by the Spirit, said our Lord. Esther is
let your blessings start. Let your blessings. Best things in life are free and simple. So it them not go give you heat and pimple. That's so it be. Them not go put you for wahala. That's so it them not go put you for palava. That's so it be. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing, no, now you go enjoy. If you carry your hand on, throw away your blessing, no, now you sabi. Yeah. Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh, brother. Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh. Best things in life are free and simple. That's so it be. Them not go give you heat and pimple. That's so it day. Them not go put you for wahala. That's so it be. Them not go put you for palava. That's so it day. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing. Marry your blessing. No, now you go enjoy. If you carry your hand, carry your hand, wear your blessing. No, now you sabi. Yeah.